Hi, welcome back to Daryn's channel.
This is Joelle. This is Saleen. We're gonna do some fun facts. Joelle, what's a fun fact that you can do? Just talk to me. Stop looking directly at the vlog. Just look at me. It's natural.
Interview me again.
What's a fun fact that you can do?
I can say my ABCs very fast backwards. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, H, D, F, E, D, C, B, A.
It's not as exciting. I feel like you did.
It's not that
But like if we try it, we can't do it at all. Z, Y.
Z, Y, X, W, T, U, V.
V, U, T.
Dang it. Z, Y, X, W, V, what?
V, U, T.
Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P,
O, N, M.
No,
O, N,
it's
M.
just this one. No.
No,
Okay,
no,
J,
no,
H,
that's
D,
just a
F,
you thing.
E, D, C, B, A.
We get it.
Can we just go get ice cream?
Yeah.
No,
What about it? Did it spill?
yes.
Where?
All over your carpet.
Oh my god!
Why are you recording like that's funny?
I don't know, it's not. It's my car, god dang. Joelle, how are you not watching it?
Oh my god, save the Bible.
What's on the Bible? Oh wait, that's my class Bible. Go get napkins from Marvel's lab. Here, clean it up with this hat.
Not the hat.
Yeah, I don't freaking care about the hat. Here, like, wring it out.
Oh, what?
Wring it out.
It's gross. I was like, we're about to come and get ice cream. Can I get some napkins, please? So like now we really have to get ice cream. Update, they're struggling. We're kind of a mess, but it's fine. It's fine, it's fine.
That's as good as it's gonna get. Oh my god, no, you didn't get the underside of it.
This is why we can't have nice things.
I tried wiping all the way.
That's how it is being rich. You know, you make your poor friends clean. Do you mind being on camera? Okay.
She wants to be famous.
No.
This spoon is too tiny. Why did I get a spoon?
Why do you have a sample?
Wait, look, like this little move. Get on camera.
It reminded me of like, good, now it's gone. Do you know what I mean?
No. You could not have been my Charlotte Hay.
So you're saying we're all skinny? Everybody in the whole entire world's skinny?
No, anybody with a good
Then how
personality
did we
is
get the
skinny.
word
You guys are
fat?
skinny.
I can't be thick anymore.
That is an example when I'm driving on the road and like no one lets me through. I'm like, oh my god, fatties, let me through.
Really?
I'm just mad because he's so serious. Like if someone is a terrible person, then they have a horrible personality. They're fat.
That with TH?
They're not
No,
ugly.
they're F-A-T. I hate this song. Is that an eyelash?
That's your hair.
How was that? Did you see my nose hair fly out of my nose and you didn't even say anything about it? I don't want to eat this anymore. Said it. But look at my circles.
Let me see.
You have those with glasses on.
Like you're ugly either way. My fingers
Hold
are
my hand! Why are we here, guys?
To buy your stupid scrunchies.
Joel doesn't understand the aesthetics.
No, I think scrunchies, I understand the aesthetic. I just don't understand why you guys need Walmart scrunchies.
What do you think about the scrunchies?
Why are these ugly here?
It's because we're on.
Because we're at Walmart.
No. Hey, you're not wrong. Look at that. It's a hat.
Disgusting.
This is for my hair.
She's the queen. What are these?
If this
Oh,
video
bro,
gets one like, Joel will grow his hair out.
It's just flip that off.
The man bun.
Why are you standing like that?
So I can't get to Saleen's level.
You're too small.
Should we just go back to Target?
We can go to our Target.
No, it's too far away.
That's really far.
Our Target's too far away. Do they have like a Sally's here? What if Sally's
What
has
the
like...
heck's a Sally?
Wait, you've never been to a Sally's? We
No.
have to go.
And we're here!
Yeah! Alright, let's get this show on the road, shall we?
Okay, we came for scrunchies.
They didn't have scrunchies.
Thanks, Sally.
I don't believe in your box.
I love it.
What is this?
Yeah.
Oh
She
man, I was actually excited
changed
to
it.
wait, play burn.
Okay, here you go, Joel. Oh, that makes me
Oh my god, look at him.
Oh my god.
You said you were mine.
No.
So let her arrive. She said, be careful with that one. The built
You're in it.
Huh?
I'm in that floorboard mat. Like, I'm excited. Are you gonna leave?
I guess I'll leave.
What?
Fine, I'll leave when you guys leave.
Okay.
Okay, we're going inside.
Oh my god, now I can exercise again.
Stop.
Bye, This is the part where really reach your hand out towards me. You're not actually touching me.
Take my hand.
Oh,
Swan. What is this? Okay, you ready? That's it for today. Make sure that you subscribe to Saleen's channel. The description to her stuff will be down below. Like and subscribe, and yeah.
Like and subscribe to Daryn because Daryn's the OG and she's really, really fun.
Thanks for the boost. Okay. Bye.
President Washington can help you now, no more Mr. Nice President.
Excuse me. Lovely.
That was. Can you say your ABCs like
Yes. I'm not going to, but. You know what I'm talking about? Y'all never know anything I'm talking about.
They
It is
never
like bad.
repay me. It worked in my face.
My name is Jeff. Daryn! Ah! My name is freaking Jeff!
Day with Squad.